Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to find the sum of given three numbers by using function. Even I am showing you the syntax of user-defined function. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. This one is just showing the user-defined function syntax. According to this only I will be writing a program, and I already explained regarding this in the previous video. Go through that one before writing the program. In this particular video, I will be writing a Python program to illustrate the use of function. And here I will be writing a function to find the sum of given three numbers. The sum of given three numbers. So just I am opening the Python application. An interpreter will be opened. After the interpreter has been opened, as usual we create a new file and we write the program. The program where we write in a new file, that method is called as an script mode. Okay, so I am creating a new file. Just adjust this one. Okay, so here first I will write the program name hash Python program to find Python program to find the sum of given three numbers by using function. This is a program name which I have written as a comment. Since it begins with an hash symbol, it is an comment. Then next I will write the definition of the function. So definition of the function, as you know the syntax. So what we have to write, first you have to write def, which is a short of define. After that one single space, then you have to write the name of the function. I will write the name of the function as sum of 3. Since it is a sum of 3 numbers, I have written sum of 3 as the function name. After that, open the bracket. We have to write the parameter list. Since I am not passing any value, I will be not writing any parameter list. If you want, you can give a white space or you can close the bracket. That means you can write in this way, or you can just give one space inside the bracket. Then after that, you need to write the colon. Okay, after this press enter. Now you can observe the indentation space. Now you are inside the function. That means now you have to write the body of the function. So here I will take 3 variables, and in that one I will be storing the 3 values by reading from the user, and then calculate the sum, and then I will be displaying the sum. So here I will write a equal to int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter first number, space, single quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. Okay, so here is a single quote. Okay, then after that, so next I will write another statement the same as that of this one. Okay, so just I will copy that particular statement. I'll paste 2 times. So after the first number, the second I will take as b equal to int, input, enter second number. Then after that, so another c equal to int, within a bracket, input, within a bracket, enter third number. Okay, this is the body of the function. After that I will press enter. I will calculate the sum. I will write sum equal to a plus b plus c. Then afterwards press enter. I will write the print statement, print within a double quotes sum of double quotes close, comma, just I want to display the values of a, b and c. For that purpose I will write a comma b comma within a single quotes and single quotes close, comma c comma within a single quotes equal to single quotes close, comma sum. So it will display sum of a, b and c equal to sum. That values will be displayed. Close the bracket. Then afterwards press enter. Then again press enter, backspace. So whatever the statements we have written here, that is what from starting with this point to this one, this is what the body of the function. And you can observe the indentation space there. It is having one indentation space. Okay. Then after the body of the function, so that is what. So here I will just write and comment for your understanding. So here I will write a comment with hash function definition of sum of 3. Function definition of sum of 3. Then here I will be writing that I will call an function. So here I will write and comment hash calling the function press enter. It is an comment which will not be executed. Okay, so from this one I will call the function called sum of 3. After that open the bracket. Since we know not to pass any value, close the bracket. Okay, and here you can observe we have not written any return statement in the function definition, just have written def, which is a keyword, then afterwards single space, then afterwards name of the function, then empty parenthesis, that means it does not consist any parameters, then colon. After this is the body of the function. I have not written return statement since it is an optional. If a function returns value, then we need to write, otherwise no need of writing. Since here the function is not returning any value, I have not written the return statement. And this is from where I will be calling a function. It means when you execute the program, directly it start executing from here. That means it will make a call to this one. These statements are executed and it will display the sum. Now we shall see how we get the output by just saving and running the program. To save the program, Ctrl S. So I'll write sum of 3 NOS. That means the sum of 3 numbers. Press enter. The program has been saved. Now to run the program, the shortcut key is F5. So now enter the first number, I'll give 10. Enter the second number, I'll give 5. Enter the third number, I'll give 3. So 10 plus 5 plus 3 means what? 18. So it will display sum of 10, 5 and 3 equal to 18. So this is how AND program has been executed. Okay, that means so directly it will be seeing this comment, so which will be ignored. After that this will see this comment which will be ignored. Then here it is a function definition which will not be executed until it has been called. So it will come here. This is a comment which will not be executed. Then it will come here. It will call. It will see that it is the name of the function. So it will invoke this function sum of 3. So then it will come here and it will be executing these statements. So first we have written this statement. So first value whatever you have entered 10, that will be stored. It is assigned to A. Then the second statement, this one, it is executed. We have given the value as 5 and that is assigned to B. Then it will be executing this statement. We have written 3, that has been assigned to C. Then it will calculate sum of a plus b plus c. That means it will calculate 10 plus 5 plus 3 as 18, and it is assigned to variable sum. Then we have written print. So this particular statement is executed. Okay, so how we get that one? Sum of which will be displayed as it is, then one single space, a, the value of a 10, comma b, the value of b is 5, and so that is displayed as it is, c, that means it will display the value of c, that is 3, then after that equal to, in the single quotes, that is displayed as it is, sum. So sum value is 18, which has been calculated, and that is assigned to a variable sum in the previous step, so that it will be displayed. Okay, so like this you can use an functions. This is an user defined function. So this is how we create an user defined function in Python programming language and use it. So one thing I have told while telling about the advantages of the function, that means the code can be written once and it can be called many times, as many times as required. For example, in this one I have invoked only one time. Suppose if I copy this one, okay, if I copy this one, okay, so what is that? That is just calling a function, that is sum of 3, right? So this is the statement which will be calling a function. I'll copy this one and I will write this statement another 2 times. That means what happens? I'll save this program in the same file only, click on save. So then what happens? You observe. So what, this particular body of the function will be executed thrice and it will be displaying the sum thrice. How? See now. So I'll click on F5. So it is first time calling that function. I'll give the value 10 in this one, 10, 5, 10. So here the output will be sum of 10, 5 and 10 will be equal to 25. So again it is asking, because here I have written sum of 3 again, that means again this function is invoked. So here I will give the value. For example, I will give 20, 5, 5. So now it will be displaying sum of 20, 5 and 5 equal to 30. So now again it is displaying enter first number. That means again we have written sum of 3. That means again it is invoked. It is executing the body of the function. So here I will give the value again. For example, 5, second number 5, third number 5. Press enter. So it displays sum of 5, 5 and 5 is 15. Now it has stopped its execution. That means this particular statement has been called, that means executed. It calls this function and up to this it has been executed. Then it comes to the next line where the program has been ended. That means what is the thing of writing this time more than once is that to show you that you can write the code once and that can be executed many times. If you won't use the function, then what happens? This particular statements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 statements has to be repeated here. That means what? Total you need to write 15 statements. Now you have written just 5 statements in the body of the function and 3 statements in calling the function. This is just an example of how it reduces the code of the function. And once a function has been written, how many times? That means you can call as many as times it is required by you. So but now we don't want to have those many number of executions. Just we want to execute only one time. Just to demonstrate the use of an function, just write only one time. Again save it, Ctrl S. If you want, you can close this interpreter, right? Then press F5. The interpreter will be opened. So 20, 5, 1. So here the output will be sum of 25 and 1 will be equal to 26. Okay, in this program I have written the function definition, this one, and I have called that function by using a function call. So here in this video I have shown you how to write an user defined function in a Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family members. Gain the knowledge and do the world. Happy learning.